SuperLoft 39 ASL. This is one of the most popular trailers, one of the best floor plans, and it's tan with tan windows and tan doors, and we put tan skirting on it too. This is the tan machine. It's got the lineals, matching lineals around the windows, outside spigot in the back, auxiliary air conditioner to keep the loft extra cool, and here's the off-door side. Anyhow, that's the exterior tour of the 2022 Quailridge 39 ASL. Now we're going to go inside and have a look around. Heading on in. It's got a sectional sofa, pit group. You can order them in different configurations. We've ordered the configuration that fits this trailer. It's a hide-a-bed. So you got a hide-a-bed sofa on one side and a footstool on the other side. Got arched front windows, ceiling fan, and lights. Bar stools. Got a fireplace. I should have took the remote out, but there you go. I just turned it on. Fireplace with remote. There's the entertainment area. Probably room for maybe a 48-inch TV. More pantry, counter space. Fancy Frigidaire microwave. Check this out. You ever seen one like that yet? That is a convection machine. 5-burner range, Frigidaire, single lever faucet with the pull-out sprayer. Oh my gosh, we even have a dishwasher in this one. Check this fridge out. You want to see a cool fridge. 10-year warranty on the compressor. Digital inverter technology. Double door fridge, huh? Now we're talking. Ice maker. Double tray on the bottom. That's a fridge now. Closet next to it has a surprise in store. It's a coat closet, but it's also plumbed for a stackable washer dryer. So if you wanted to get a stackable washer dryer, guess what? It can go in your closet. I see my helper left the bed up. It's a lift bed, so there's storage underneath of it. I'll go ahead and push it down. Now it's down. Show you the cabinet. You got outlet and charging station on each side of the bed. Everybody wants their smartphone right by their bedside, except for me. Mine stays in the kitchen, which is the opposite end of the house. There's your drawers and doors. A lot of storage in the bedroom. You got under the bed and all them full extension ball bearing drawer guides. Then you have power panel conveniently hid behind there. And for those of you that need a TV in your bedroom, I think they told me that would hold a 60-incher. It's awful big. Mini blinds on every window. They're just not pulled on most of them. We got to go see the bathroom. This is a shower with the low step. Oh, we passed one more pantry closet. Got to show you the pantries because there's so much storage in this trailer. It's amazing. Check out this bathroom. It's a good one. Vanity. Howdy. Nice deep one. Look how low the threshold is for the shower. I'm going to say that's about 5 inches, which is nice. You got not quite 7 foot headroom, because I know the sidewalls are 7 foot. So you got to take the 3 inches away, probably 6'9" in the shower. Nice shower with glass doors. You got to take a bunch of pictures next. Like I say, there is blinds on every window. They're just not all pulled. Samsung fridge. That is a cool fridge now. And there's your living area. Oh, shoot, we still got to go up to the loft. This has a half loft. Got an air conditioner to help keep the upstairs cool. Got a couple closets up here to store the PlayStations or whatever kids want these days. iPads. So the loft does about half the trailer. There's the rest of the trailer. Looks like ceramic tile flooring, but it's not. It's actually, oh, the name escapes me. It's not linoleum. Got adjustable lighting up here. PVC flooring. That's the name that escaped me. But anyhow, thanks for watching my video. And I'll go ahead and take some pictures now. Have a great day.